Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Markets Munch. Today our video is all about the effects of lockdown on share markets. I'm going to discuss both pros and cons. So if you want to know more about that, check out this video. Let us discuss some cons that we have seen and experienced due to the lockdown of COVID-19. The very first point is economies around the world has experienced the worst situations of the country and they had never seen the economies fall out after World War II this way. And coming back to our country, the Nifty 50 has hit the lowest ever point of 7 and we have quickly recovered from that, and currently our Nifty 50 is at points 9600, which is a good sign after seeing such disastrous points in Nifty. Talking about the value of Indian rupee, it has sequentially fallen out after March 23rd and currently the Indian rupee value is about 76.15 against dollar. When discussing about GDP of the country, the Fitch Solutions, which is one of the famous forecasters of gross domestic products around the world, they had cut down the forecast of GDP of India is about 1.8% as per financial year 2020-2021 since the loss of large scale income of investors, whether it is small, medium or large, due to COVID-19. Discussing about the long term affected stocks in Indian economy are automobile, banking, aviation and tourism as well, because though the lockdown regulations are relaxed, people don't tend to move as easy as possible as before. Availability of vaccine is largely affected on these stocks. So until the vaccine are available, people don't tend to move, which may create a great loss to automobile sector, aviation sector, tourism sector and banking sectors. Talking about job markets in India, 2020 possibly a recession year after 12 years since we have seen a probability of layoffs and entrepreneurs unable to pay the salaries and wages. This might be because all the MNCs and entrepreneurs around the world mostly depend upon their productivity, which was lost because of this COVID-19 outbreak around the world, which make 2020 seem like a recession year after 12 years. People are prone to savings more than to expenditures because the people have seen their worst in their savings. So this might result in decrease in the usage of credit cards, which and also affect their share and stock values. Though the con points looks disturbing and vulnerable, we can always find pro points in any situation. So these are the pro points for this COVID-19 outbreak in share markets. We can see a good fortune for all the real estate investments because people are prone for the investments and long-term investments which give their income in whatever the situation is. And next point is it favors all the beginners, investors and stock losers. Let me explain this point. Discussing about the beginners of the stock markets, they always tend to or seek to get profits in a very less time. So if they want to invest their small amounts of money at these type of situations where you can get strong fundamental value stock at a minimum price, they can easily get the profit as this situation is going to end in 6 or maximum 1 year of time. So when discussing about the long term investors, they always keep on huge amounts of money in different sectors, so it's a very good time to invest in pharma sector. When discussing about the stock losers, if they want to come out of any bad stock, this is the right situation for them to get in because they can easily average the value as all the stocks are trading at a minimum price right now. Another pro point for this situation is loan seekers, people who wanted the loan at the very minimum interest rate. This might be a right time because every government around the globe wanted to stabilize their economy after this with the basic point of decreasing the interest of the loans, whether it is personal or housing loan. So it is a right time for them to seek a loan at a minimum interest rate. And we can also say that it is a good fortune for all the insurance stocks because after seeing this dreadful situation around the world, people tend to invest their huge or small amount of money by taking the insurance plans, whether it is term policy insurance or life insurance. So investing in the insurance stocks is a very good idea at the current situation. These are the pros and cons on stock markets because of lockdown due to COVID-19 outbreak. If you find more pros and cons, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video and if you want more videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. My name is Manognya Isetti. I am an MBA marketing aspirant. Stay tuned to my channel for more interesting ones. Stay home, stay safe. Peace out.